Starting with ready? Okay. The following questions refer to the numbers below. So A, B, C, D, E. Mark the number letter that is closest to 7 units, 9 tenths and 600. So that's 7.96. They want you to find which number is the closest to that. So question number 2A, the closest to the number to that is? Which one do you think it is?
B.
Correct. Okay. That one's 2 less and that one's just a little bit above it.
I thought it's E. Yeah, because it says 8, 10.
No, I get it. No, because it says on C, the answer C, because the 100
It's
is
B.
5.
Yeah, look here. I'll show you. Which one do you think it was? You thought it was E.
Yeah.
6.85. Now 6.85 add 1 is 7.85 is more than 1 away. Now if you look at the this number here, the top number, 8.1. 8.14. That's very close to 7.96 is nearly 8. And the top number is just a little bit more than 8. A little bit more than 8. So the difference is 14 at 4 with 0.18 away. This one is 1.0. It's like so much more away. Yeah? Next question. What's the value of E plus B times by A? What's E at B? E at B. So you ask,
it's 15.
that's right. It is
15 million.
It is 15. And then times that by A. And what's A is 3.45.
Oh, I do my answer in
Okay. Let's work that one out. Sit over the side. The rubber. Okay, 3.45 times by 15. Any suggestions on how we do this calculation? Nice and quickly. First of all, we multiply by
10.
10. Good. If we multiply by 10, what's it become? 34.5. Okay, and we need 15 lots of 5 more. How do we get 5 more? 5 more is going to be half of 10 lots. What's half of 34.5? 17.25? Well done. And now what we do? Add them together.
7, 9, 7.
So we've got these, you've got to add them together. So that gives you 5. That gives you 7. That gives you 11. And that gives you that. So the final answer is 51.75. Right, who got that right? Okay, can you copy down please folks? Please your notes. C and D will give you at least for your calculator, yeah? Sure? So,
I need to just swap the digits around.
okay. So that's the quick way of doing it. So we multiplied it by 10, the first bit, and then we done 5 bits. So 7 squared, okay, that's done. You happy with that one? That one is done. C at D is 7, 7 squared is 49. Which number is closest to 4? So for question number 2, part D, which number is closest to 4? The answer is?
C.
C. Okay, so question 2, part D, answer is simply C. Done. Lovely. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. So divide by 5 over here. So that'll give you 12 is equal to B. That's how you got the 12. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, here comes the next question. What is the length of Y in shape A?
Did you have to do the top part as well?
No, it's just the bottom.
Okay, shape A. What is the length of Y in shape A? Well, that's 7. That will also be 7. That's nice and straightforward. Done. Next question. What is the perimeter of shape D? Perimeter means the distance.
You have to times the length by it.
That's area. Perimeter is distance around the shape. So it's going to be this distance followed by, and then this one, and then. So we do 9.5. We add the 2 and then we double, isn't it? Because there's 2 of them here. So that'll give you what? 11.5 and then we double it.
23.
23, that's done. Which shape has the largest area? And the largest area is the shape which is C.
Oh yeah.
Why was it C? Because 9.5 times by 9.5 is the biggest calculation that you have there. Okay, that one's already 90. This one's much less than this one's, but that's just under 20. This one here, that's 7. That's 51. That's 90. And what's 9.5 times by 9.5 is bigger than 90, isn't it? Yeah?
No.
No?
Oh yeah.
Because 9 times by 9 itself is
81.
81. But 9.5 times by 9.5. Okay, so we want to. Who knows that work out 9.5 times by 9.5?
And 9.5 times by 9.5.
There you go. Hang on a second.
Then add the whole.
Right, 5 times by 5 is 25. 9 times by 5 is 45. Add 2 is 47. So you put a 0 down here, yeah? And you do 5 times by 9 is 45. 9 times by 9 is 81. Add 4 is
85.
85. So 5 add nothing is 5. 7 add 5 is 12. 4 add 5 is 9. And 1 is 10. That's 9. And then you have to put decimal point in 1, 2 places. So it's only bigger by a little bit, by a quarter of a centimeter squared. So the answer is, okay. Which two shapes are approximately the same area? So which ones were they? So this one here is 90.25, isn't it? Which is very close to 90. So the answer is going to be C and D. What is the value of x in shape D?
X in shape D.
That should be nice and easy. That should be.
Is it?
Yeah, because 6.
About 5.
No, 6 times by 15 is equal to 90, isn't it?
Yeah,
Because the area of that shape is going to be equal to the base, which is 15, times by the height. So the 15 times by x is 90. Here's the answer, 90. So the answer has to be then 6.
5.
Done. Question number 5. Alison has started preparation for her 11 plus exams. She goes how much time she has spent revising each day. What was the longest time that Alison spent revising in one day?
230 minutes.
Okay, hang on one second. Let's restart that. So 2 hours and 30 minutes is not 230 minutes. It's going to be 2 hours, which converts into how many minutes? 2 lots of 60 is 120 minutes here for that part. And then we add another 30 minutes here, and together that gives us 150 minutes.
Yeah, I wrote that one. You have to do 2 hours divided by 60, which is 120.
Yeah.
Then you do add the 30.
Whoa. Okay, the range is the largest value, which is this one here. This is the largest, yeah? Minus the smallest time. What's the smallest time?
45.
45. So we got 2 hours and 30, which is 150. So we got 150 minutes. We minus the 45 minutes. That gives you how much time? 105 minutes. And we're going to change it back into hours and minutes. So 60. 1 hour and...
I totally got confused. I just added them all up.
Okay, no problem. What is the median amount of time that Alison spent revising? The median is the middle value when you put them in order of size. So let's get rid of all this for the moment. Hang on one second. We're going to put these times into order of size and then say which one is the middle one.
I think I know.
If you put the times in order, you get an answer of 1 hour and
Couldn't do them all correctly.
45 minutes. Next question. What is the mean amount of time? Okay, what does the word mean?
I've heard of that word. I'm a teacher.
I know.
Well then.
The
You
last.
add them all up and you divide by how many there is.
Oh yeah. So 120 and 2 is 450. 450. Yeah. Smell this. Can you smell it? No.
Let's work it out, folks. 20 at 30 is
50.
50 at 45 is
95.
95 at the 5 in the bottom is 100. 110, 150 altogether. Yeah. So let's write down at the moment. 150 minutes. So 1, 2 is 3, 3 at 1 is 4, 4 at 2 is
6.
6
You have to
hours.
convert it.
And I convert that into, how do you want to answer hours and minutes? Well, how many hours do we have in 150? Another 2 hours in there.
Yeah.
And 30 minutes left over, isn't there? So 6 at 2 is 8 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. And now we're going to divide it by what?
6.
5 days.
Or
Because it's mean. Let's add it all up and divide it by how many are. So we've got 8 hours and 30 minutes divided by 5. Now that's going to be a little bit difficult to do if you don't change in the minutes first. So 8 hours is how many minutes? 480. 480 add 30 to give you?
Why is it this? The stop method.
That's easy.
Yeah, it's
So that means each one is going to be 102 minutes because the mean is added all up divided by 100. 102 minutes. You can't give it 100 minutes. You've got to give it hours and minutes, which is going to give you what? 1 hour and
42 minutes.
42 minutes. That's the end of the test.
Well done.
Well done, folks.